Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question, design a gift wrapping paper for a perfume bottle which came in this year's NIFT. So to start designing a paper which can be a gift wrap for a perfume bottle, we need to understand the structure of the perfume bottle first. So we will roughly draw a bottle which will be our base on which our gift wrap paper our will be wrapped around that structure. So whenever you have to attend these kind of questions, always remember you first need to understand the structure of the bottle or the structure in which this wrapping paper is going to get folded upon. So once you have the structure ready with you, you can now understand how the gift wrap paper is going to fold around it. So that is very crucial. All right, now slowly on the top of it I can draw certain lines which will act as a uh, paper folded on its top, and that can serve as our guide of how to create a wrapping paper on it. Okay, so now as you slowly try to see that I have included a wrapping paper on the top of the same structure that I have drawn before, which is the bottle itself. All right, then after you got this structure, then you can add certain other elements, other like folds which can come on top of it, and on the top some other folds which indicates the wrapping paper. Now after this you can start using slight amount of colors which will indicate the gift wrap, so that it is easily understandable that this is the wrapping paper that is forming on the top of a given structure. So if we color it as it is, all right, so drawing the underlying structure first gives you a very like a good confidence of how your internal structure is going to look like, or the wrapping paper is going to look like, because you know on the structure on which it is being created. So once you have this wrapping case on top of it, then you can add certain amount of shades, so that which indicates the wrapping folds. Or at first you can just give certain designs. Suppose I want to create certain patterns first on the gift wrap. And after that you can add certain shades to give some dimensions on the gift wrap paper, so that it looks like that it is being folded and it has certain tensions around the parts in which it is stretched. So this is all about understanding how different elements acts or different elements looks when it is used in a certain way or a certain purpose for a certain purpose. So now you see we have a packaging ready which looks like that it is wrapped around a cylindrical surface. So this is how you can create a design or a gift wrap paper. Now for the upper structure we can use a different color to give a little variation. So here you can use a bits of red like an added paper on top of it. And then on the top of this structure you can add the ribbons to give more impact to the packaging or the gift wrap paper in itself. So thus you see slowly our solution is coming alive. So we have designed the gift wrap and also how it would look when it is being used in for actual on the actual bottle. So this kind of solution delivery helps in understanding the context in which your design is being used. So that also helps you create a good solution for the examination questions. Then you can add a little bit of highlight on the ribbons. And this will more or less give you the solution to the packaging or the gift wrapping paper for a perfume bottle. So I hope this lesson helps you in understanding how to solve this kind of questions. Thanks a lot.